Sabine Christmas ဒီနေ့ reaction လုပ်သွားမှာ Black Beast ကလာလို့ဆိုတဲ့တခြင်းရဲ့ music video reaction လုပ်သွားပါမယ်ဆိုတော့Black Beast ကတော် rap game ထဲမှာတော်တော်လေးအခုတော်တော်လေးကျန်းနေတဲ့တော်လေးမိုက်နေတဲ့ rapper တယောက်ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဆိုတော့Black Beast ကလာတော့ official video let's check it man Directed by an official kid. Let's go. It's like movie. This beat is sick, man.
Trying to say, gang, what you trying to do, gang? Why you trying to run away? I just hang with my crew, gang. We don't see that move, gang. That I shit up means you. I just running on my own business, probably chickens.
Yeah, when you go, you get up there and you don't need that shit. Yeah, right, man. That's fun. Yeah. Insane. Represent. It's like Lado. Man. That's right. Yeah. Trailer rock. I guess on the grass here. Oh, you got them over here. No, let street. Produced by Court, official kid writer. So, this year, now we playlist my theater, we in theater, the cinema part, right? So, I might, me and China bounce spinning. So, I might. So, Black Beast get Lado, use this video, China, so I might. Mirror and playlist in my theater, the channel. It's really nice, man. So it's a bounce one. Okay, generation I love about this round. This is my item, my channel, live and subscribe, and not have about reaction video.